It's an old manhood trick. See, man needs his death to reclaim victory over womanhood, who think they're so slick, who are, what's that word I'm called? They're credulous, are very susceptible to believe somebody's Lucifer when they're not. But women have been trying to establish equal rights in this country of that of a man. But look at the decisions they make. Look at their judgment that they make pertaining to my welfare and safety. So men, what they're doing is, they actually were waiting for the right injury to come along. But at the same time, I'm dying regardless. You understand that? And man's been tired of paying child support, being taken advantage of by women, lied on, framed by women, etc., etc., etc. You understand it? So this was the doozy for women losing all ground and territory that they have established the moment that is established that I'm dead as a result of this shit here. Women thought men were stupid. They dragged a lot of them into this shit until some of them realized men came to they understood it now. And women think nobody knows what they've been doing, how they've been using their husbands, boyfriends, and guys to pull this off because they're the ones who are suffering from auditory hallucinations when I'm around. So they need to silence. They need to find a man to do something to me to shut it up for them. You understand it? But now man is about to use this whole situation against womanhood and the premises that women stand on. Me too. Whatever you got. Keep that in the back of your mind. To you women who keep trying to trigger that eruption of blood from my stomach and keep my kidneys non-functioning. Every time you interrupt me in any endeavor, any move I make in life, you want me to feel that you're right there, that you can stop my thought process and my heart from pumping. But that banging method that Karen had to utilize to make sure she stays ahead of me. And then would run out of the house in an SUV as my blood pressure is raised. You understand? You're not going nowhere. And men know what the fuck you're doing. Real men who've been dying to find that excuse and evidence where women can't talk that shit no more and victimize us. Men know how to use women in ways women cannot stand. You understand that? When you are a woman, you think you know something new, had a new approach. That's what's fucking you up. You thought you had a new approach to that banging shit that's gonna help you defy manhood. And also you gays supporting each other. You really believe that shit, that banging shit, is gonna take you to new heights as women. Now, go for it. Go for it. And let me die without getting out of this motherfucker.